I'm Auberon Tatum. I'm the Technical Director for Dew Point and O2 at DwyerOmega. I suppose I always liked understanding how things worked. I was known for taking toys to bits initially, then later cars. Understanding how things worked and what all the bits were and then putting them back together again. I think that was always a problem for my parents. So I saw an advert in the paper for this apprenticeship role, and I looked at the company. It looked like they were an interesting engineering company that had all kinds of sensing technology that I didn't understand. And so I thought that seemed like a great opportunity to get involved in doing the kind of things that I always enjoyed doing at home. I started here as apprentice service technician. I then became a service engineer, then became product support engineer. Then I became product manager for chilled mirror and calibration. And after that, I was applications manager. Then I was head of research and development, and now technical director for Dew Point and O2. In my new role, my main priorities at the moment are keeping the team focused on projects that we are currently delivering, those that are in the R&D phase, those that are in the new product development phase as well. Product that I'm particularly proud of is our most recent release, the S8000 high temperature. That's a chilled mirror which is intended for measuring dew points above ambient temperature, because Michell has a number of other chilled mirrors and has historically made chilled mirrors that can measure dew points above ambient temperature, but they always required insertion of the sensor head into the environment to be measured, and these environments can be quite sensitive, temperature sensitive. They don't want a source of temperature within them. So we developed an extractive solution which can transport the sample in vapor phase, so it has to be trace heated into a heated sensor head to avoid condensing that moisture before you can measure it, and it's all in a nice benchtop package. The team's role in a project like this is absolutely crucial. It requires a lot of people with a lot of different disciplines and skills to come together and work in a harmonious fashion to be able to deliver this. One of the things that has really stood out to me about Michell over the years is just how many very long-serving members of staff we have here. It says a lot about the culture of the company, I think, and about how well we treat people. Why buy Michell over any other brand? Okay, so Michell offers the broadest range of moisture measurement technologies, and therefore we can fulfill probably the broadest range of different applications for moisture measurement, from natural gas, from LNG, CO2 carbon capture, through to new energy like hydrogen, and industrial applications, compressed air, semiconductor, food production, pharmaceuticals, all manner of high-tech manufacturing as well. Moisture measurement is a very challenging thing, and it requires some relatively specialist knowledge, which we have an abundance of in this company. Many of our products have come out of direct customer collaboration, and the fact that we offer products which are specifically tailored to the application. So I would say that you would buy Michell for the moisture measurement expertise and for the quality of the products.